Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is a quick how-to guide on how to take screenshots on the Honor 70 smartphone. The Honor 70 smartphone is a device we're covering here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, and we'll be soon releasing our long-term review of the device. So if you'd like to see more content on the Honor 70, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Anyway, say you're on an application such as Twitter. You're on Twitter and you want to take a screenshot of what you're seeing. All you have to do is press the volume down button, that's volume down, and the power button at the same time. So just a little finger gesture and there you go. And you'll see the screenshot preview in the bottom left of the screen. Now, what you can also do is take a screenshot, and if you swipe up on it, it will automatically open your share menu. So that's quite a handy feature. So to do that again, I'll just do it again. Take your screenshot with volume down and power button at the same time, swipe up, and it will automatically give you the share option. The other thing that is quite clever that you can do with the Honor 70 is take a screenshot and swipe down. What this will do is enable scroll shot. So it will essentially follow your scrolling. So for example, in the Twitter app, if I take my screenshot, go for scroll shot, and then scroll, it will take a longer screenshot. So I'll just show you that again. Take a screenshot, swipe down, and then it starts scrolling, and when we're ready, I'll stop, and you'll see I have a longer screenshot. So in a nutshell, that's how to take screenshots on the Honor 70. Volume down and power button at the same time, and the two gestures on the preview at the bottom. So thanks for watching if you made it this far into this video. If you don't already, as I said, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, mobile devices, and anything we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.